In this video, I want to show you what to do in case your AirPods Pro 3 are not working properly. Maybe you have connection issues, or maybe the problem is something else. So what you need to do when this is happening is put both of them in the case, close the case. You're going to go on your iPhone and we need to go into Bluetooth settings and find your AirPods Pro 3 in this list of devices. These are mine right over here. Click the I button and down below you're going to see forget this device. Go ahead and select this option. Forget device, forget device. Okay, they have been removed from your iPhone and from your Apple account. Next step is to open the case with them inside. Double tap where the light is. Double tap again. And double tap again. You're going to see the red light flashing, and after it finishes flashing red, it will start flashing white. This is a factory reset and your AirPods Pro 3 are supposed to be like brand new. So now what you need to do is, while the white light is flashing, which means they're in pairing mode, take your iPhone and bring it closer from your AirPods. You're going to press connect. And you're going to go through all these settings, okay? Don't close this window. Press not now if you don't want these, okay? Simply press not now, then continue, not now, continue, and continue. Many people skip these steps, and I found that if you close this window, your AirPods Pro won't be fully set up and some features will not work. I know it's surprising. I don't know why Apple is doing this, but this is what I found out personally. All right, then press not now, and the setup of your AirPods is done. Now, fortunately, after doing this, they will work without any issues. You can also check and make sure that your iPhone is on the last update. Apple is fixing many issues often by sending updates automatically to the AirPods Pro, but on your iPhone you need to update it manually. So go ahead, open the settings and then go in search, type update, software update, and you should be on the last one. So over here I'm up to date, I don't have to do anything, but on you, if you have one that needs to be installed, go ahead and do it. There's a good chance that this will solve your problem. Otherwise, another thing that you can do, and this applies for any issues, so simply press the power button and volume down of your iPhone, keep them pressed. You're gonna get the screen power off on the top, okay, slide it, wait until the screen is black, and then press the power button after waiting about 5 seconds. Press on it until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display, then release it and your iPhone will be rebooted, and sometimes the error was coming from the actual iPhone and not the AirPods. After doing this, they should work. If you found this video helpful, take a moment and type a comment down below. If you didn't find it helpful, type a comment as well. I want to know now and improve it next time. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.